I tell you, these team members show up 5,000% every single week. When you are bleeding money or not seeing the ROI that you want, and you empower your team, you invest in your team, like putting them through law firm admin boot camp. We've added a weekly call on Tuesdays called Marketing Power Hour, where marketing coordinators, client service coordinator, office managers are coming to the call and collaborating. We're bringing in industry experts and people are sharing what's working. Well, this week, we are having a team member who's client service coordinator slash marketing coordinator that was so incredibly frustrated with their Meta ads, not getting the return on investment, fighting with the agency consistently. And she went to her attorney and said, let me give it a whack. Let me try to bring Meta ads in-house. She went through an amazing program with Patrick Agil. I'll put his email in the show notes because Patrick, I'm giving you a massive shout out where we have so many marketing coordinators in Law Firm Admin Bootcamp going through his program for $1,000, taking Meta ads in-house, whether we're hiring a marketing coordinator overseas for $8 an hour or it's a rock star marketing CMO that's bringing this in-house, and they're learning and they're sharing. And this week, we're going to have Jenna come and teach to other law firm leaders of exactly what she did after going through this program, how they're getting close to 90 registrants that are showing up at their workshops or live workshops, and how they're crushing it with their conversion rate, how they're crushing it and decreasing their average cost per lead. We have somebody else that shows up in Marketing Power Hour and they're like, our marketing agency wants us to work on providing a folder. I'm moving into community outreach coordinator. I'm going out there. I'm getting boots on the ground, which, by the way, I just got my attorney a free speaking event at the senior center that the room is packed. It's sold out and we are converting into appointments. And the marketing agency wants us to create a folder to hand out when I'm going out in the community. We're like hogwash. You need a shock and awe package. Every other attorney showing up with a folder, we're going to work on a PR kit, on a media kit. These are the types of conversations that are happening in Law Firm Admin Bootcamp. So, do you want to empower your team to be your eyes and ears, to think, walk, talk, and act like, and have the confidence to come to you and say, let me give it a try. Here's what's working in other law firms. We're not going to spend all our time and energy making a boring, predictable folder. We are going to be talking about a shock and awe package. We are going to be talking about how to get you into a #1 Amazon bestseller, published author in 90 days or less, just like Carlos did for his law firm. And we're going to teach your team how to come to you with these decisions that are saving you money, increasing your conversion rates, and empowering them to become a legal leader, what we like to call an everyday hero, because they're coming to you with proposed solutions. They're coming to you with tried, tested, proven strategies that their colleagues, that their friends, just like everything that you all as entrepreneurs and attorneys learn at your events that you go to and bar associations and or within your private communities and what have you. So give us your team. Allow them to come to you with these decisions, saving you $5,000 plus a month in overhead with a very frustrating outside legal vendor that you may or may not be working with, coming to you with creation and already tried, tested, proven ideas. They're going to support you with your next level of elevation, your next level of scaling up. And best part about it is driven by your team. So we are going to be having a special webinar. Keep your eye out. We're going to be doing a series and really teaching you, showing you the benefits, showing you the ROI, showing you the payoff. So keep your eyes and ears and emails open, because we're going to be sharing the tried, tested, proven secret, just like many of these other legal leaders are bringing to their attorneys, decreasing their overhead, increasing their conversion rates, increasing their hire rates, and then being able to take these initiatives back in-house.
I'm so tired of micromanaging. How do I train, manage, and lead? I can't find time to be visionary, head down in the weeds.